Hello everybody and welcome to 2253 Stonefish Drive in the Water Valley neighborhood of Windsor, Colorado. I'm Realtor Robert Crow with Remax Alliance and I love to start off video tours with the drone. Got some great early exterior shots. I promise you'll see way more of the backyard and the open space that it backs to later, especially some extra shots of that fabulous outdoor entertaining area. Front of the home, we have a lovely front porch that looks out over the street. Very spacious area there. Gives the opportunity to go out for a cup of coffee in the morning or the afternoon and say hi to the neighbors as they're out walking their dogs. This is a 2-story home with an unfinished basement, and fabulous when you walk in that you have that view all the way through to the backyard and the open space. This is the first of our rooms off to the left of the front door. It's the home office, but also doubles up as a music room for these owners. And across the way is the first of our guest rooms. This is a 4-bedroom home. We have the primary on the upper level and then 3 guest rooms. The thing I love about this room is it's on the main level. So if you have people come to stay that can't handle stairs or have mobility issues, this is the perfect setup for them, especially because there is a 3/4 bathroom just around the corner. And this is where you're really going to start to see some of the fabulous updating and upgrades that these sellers have done. Walk-in shower there with subway tile. Little glimpse of the board and batten that they've added to the property. That features in a number of areas. There is an upgraded mirror. All the light fixtures in this property have been switched out as well. I'll touch more on those as we explore. So as we go on around, we have the formal dining room on the left-hand side. That has skim-coated walls. Upgraded lighting there, and the lighting really follows this delightful theme throughout the property. It all ties in so well together. Honestly, these folks could be interior designers. It's so lovely. We have the lockers that complement that board and batten in the bathroom. Same color green there, super handy. We call this the drop zone or the mud room. Wood floors throughout this main level, with the exception of the office and the guest bedroom. Love the blue and the board and batten on that kitchen island. This is a gourmet kitchen, means that it has twin ovens, 5-burner gas stove, in-cabinet microwave there, and everything is so well taken care of. It is immaculate. Quartz countertops there throughout the kitchen. I love that section there with the KitchenAid maker. I've seen other people that own this floor plan use that as a coffee prep zone as well. So it provides so many different options. It's so versatile. Such a great kitchen. Open plan living, and we had to take a moment and focus on this fireplace. Love the marble tile. It is absolutely delightful. Love how the plants there really complement the work they've done on that fireplace. It is just exquisite. I mean, this could be a Pottery Barn catalog. It could be Crate and Barrel or West Elm. It is just exquisite. So there's a shot of the kitchen before we head on upstairs. Great open railings there. The alternative is kind of like a half wall, but the open railings really add an extra touch of elegance and let more light through in the property too. This is the loft at the top of the stairs. We got a quick glimpse at the homework nook. I'll show you more of that again in a moment. But this is super spacious, so it can act as a second family room, a video game area. Gosh, you could put yoga mats down here, exercise equipment, very versatile. Come on through the double French doors into the primary, and this is a real treat. Not only do you have the bedroom there, but you have an attached retreat. That swinging hammock chair is going to stay, and I've seen people use this, well, as it is right now, a reading area. I've seen people use it as a home office, little yoga area as well. Gives you plenty of options. And frankly, I mean, it looks like a 5-star boutique hotel, especially when you come in and explore the ensuite bathroom. It's a 5-piece bathroom. We call them 5-piece bathrooms because there are 2 sinks, soaking tub, a shower, and then the water closet. Tons of upgrades to share with you in here. Look at that slate flooring. That slate flooring features throughout the bathrooms in the property. Upgraded faucets, upgraded mirrors, quartz countertops. Check out that walk-in shower. That is phenomenal. Twin closets in there as well. And you have a private water closet here with those built-in shelves. Nice feature, but also very practical. So we'll head out of the primary and we're going to go explore the 2 additional guest bedrooms. There's a shot of the loft. And the first of the guest bedrooms is access through this little homework nook. I've seen people use that as a sewing area as well, computer area as well. That's fantastic. And this is the first of the upper guest bedrooms. And I love that wall with the stars on it, painted like a midnight blue. It's got a custom shelf there, loaded with Star Wars books. Great reading. I'm a big fan. On Jack and Jill ensuite bathroom. So these 2 upper guest bedrooms have their own sinks, but then Jack and Jill style, they share the shower and tub and toilet. All quartz, all updated, faucets there. And you can see that the hinges and the handles have been updated too. I mean, this home is just absolutely loaded with upgrades. This is the second upper guest bedroom, so third of our guest rooms. Gives me a chance to talk about the carpets as well. You know, the property was built in 2017, but the current owners went ahead and had all the carpets replaced with a very high quality carpet. I'm going to try and pronounce this correctly. Oeko-Tex carpeting. Oeko-Tex carpeting. And then this is our laundry room. And how often do I get the opportunity to be excited about laundry rooms? This one I adore. Penny tile on the floor. You have shiplap on the back wall. A custom built pegboard there for your ironing board. Solid counters there above the washer and dryer. Quick shot of the loft. Heading to the backyard. Don't forget, there is an unfinished basement on this property. We don't tend to, film unfinished basements. It just has storage down there. But 1,444 square feet of unfinished area that you could go ahead and add to in the future. This is a custom deck, pergola with shades there looking out over that privately owned open space. That's beautiful. Poured concrete patio. Cafe lights, those storage chests there are staying. Look at that. I mean, what a place to have the neighbors over and entertain, especially with those views. Sellers have told me they've seen over 24 different types of birds. Hot air balloons come by. And then we're finishing up here with some fun drone shots of the neighborhood. And as you'll see, not a single car driving around. Super, super quiet. I'm Realtor Robert Crow with Remax Alliance. Thanks for joining me on this video walking tour of my new listing at 2253 Stonefish Drive. For a showing or any questions, just reach out to me using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.